Hey guys, so today's lesson, I know y'all are learning about arrays, and I'm checking your work, and I feel like so many friends are not writing your multiplication sentence down correctly. You have the numbers backwards. So let me show you real fast, okay? I want everyone to double check your work today before you submit it. All right, so let's look at some arrays. All right, I have three quick examples. So look here. Just like with equal groups, when you're writing a multiplication sentence, the first number is how many equal groups. The second number in your multiplication equation is the number in each group. So for arrays, the very first number in your multiplication problem is how many rows. Okay? The number of rows. Number of rows. Now, rows are, I would say, they're horizontal. Think of a horizontal line. So these are the rows. Rows go like this, all right? And I've always just done this. To first count how many rows you have, you can count up or down the ladder. Just visualize a ladder. You know, like a ladder's like this. So to count the number of rows, I like to do this. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 rows of how many circles are in each row? Well, let me see. There's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 in each row. So this is 4 times 3. And if I count the total number, you could even skip count, I get 12. So let me show you that again. The first number in a multiplication problem when you have arrays this time and not equal groups, the first number represents the number of rows. And rows go side to side. So this is a row, row 1, row 2, row 3, and then this is row 4. So there are 4 rows again. How many are in each row? 1, 2, 3. Let's look at number 2 real fast. All right. How many rows do you have? 2. Watch. I like to just count up. 1, 2. This is a row. This top part is a row. And this is a row. So here we have 2 rows. So that's 2 times how many hearts are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 2 times 5. And there is a total of 10 hearts. So our answer, our product is 10. Let's look at the last one. The first digit in your multiplication problem should represent number of rows. So let's look. Let's look at all of these squares. This is row 1, row 2, row 3. Again, I just always say go up the ladder. 1, 2, 3. So 3 rows of how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 3 times 7. And you could skip count. The cool thing with arrays, and we'll talk about this more later, you can skip count by 7s. You can skip count by 3s. I'll just do 7, 7, 14, 21. You can double your, go back and double check your answer by counting all those squares by 1. Whatever it takes, right? Whatever it takes to get the right answer. So 3 rows times 7 in each row is 21.